All right. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, welcome. Hope everyone can hear me all right, even with the music playing in the background. If you guys can't hear me, please let me know. Q, Garrett, what is up? What is up? All right, so we'll wait at least 3 to 5 minutes here to allow people to come in. All right. On Instagram and YouTube, if you guys can hear me, please give me a thumbs up. Hey, Coop. Perfect. I hope the music to voice balance is nice. Sorry guys, you're gonna hear me drinking here. Garrett, you said, hope you traded safe today. Yes. So I grabbed SQQ calls, the inverse of QQQ, and I got 190% at the end of the day. I swung it overnight just in case we gap down based on what happened on FOMC minutes today, the meeting. So I hope I can get out tomorrow safely on a little tiny gap down. But we might trade further lower, okay, depending on how we bounce tomorrow. So Garrett, I traded SQQQ. Sorry, SQQQ. I think I said that 4 times Q. So that's what I played today, including other tickers on the C.F.O Swing Watch. Cannabis, you said I took an L on PayPal. Aw. That's alright. I got out today early morning at the high of the day. I got exactly at the top. So lucky for me, right? Hey, what's up? Alright, there's a lot more people coming on Wednesday today. That's surprising. Coop, you said Apple on the 1 hour looking nasty. Might take puts depending on price action and open. Yeah, so Coop, there might be a bounce tomorrow morning. I highly expect a bounce and then further flush toward the end of the day. Bryant, what's up? Morris, what is up? You went in on Intel and got out at the top. Nice! Lewis, nice. But I got shares. That's good. Hey, Morris. Ford, nice. I hope you saw the analysis that I did on live for Ford. One of my members really banked on that TA there. Hey, Morris, thank you, man. Thank you. Let me pin that comment. All right. Guys, if you're not in the C.F.O Swing Watch yet, join. Really join. You guys are missing out, man. Like literally, I mean, I highly recommend anyone to join. Even my subscribers tell other people that too. I mean, I can vouch what my subscribers say. Like I'm not even telling what to say. I'm not telling them what to say. They're telling them what they're telling people by themselves. I don't say anything. And my subscribers can vouch for me there as well. And I got one of the best teams as well. Hey, Ray. This, right here, what you see on the screen. That's the answer to your question. Yes, had to see it for yourself. Yep. That's exactly right, man. My man Morris. Mr. Morris. Young risk taker, guys. Yep. That is crazy, right? But it's not impossible. So, you know, once you guys learn the correct way, and you have consistency, okay? You know, that's all you guys need. Literally, that's all you need. All right. Also, okay, if you guys just take a look at the profits channel in my C.F.O Discord, you guys can see the consistency that my members get as well. So if you guys want to join today. Like, take action now. No more thinking, right? You guys don't need to think, okay? Because in 2022, when you start thinking too much and too long, you tend to miss the opportunity, right? So it's one of the things that I've learned in the past 2 years, right? I personally learned, and I am now never going to stop, executing right away. After a good logical time of thinking, right? You don't want to think for too long. You know what I mean? So hey Andres, what's up? AN3 Lloyd, you said we flush some more tomorrow or bounce? So I think we bounce at the market open, and then we're going to continue to flush tomorrow depending on how we bounce. So we can have a really, really strong bounce, but based on the volume that we saw today on the overall market. So what you guys are looking at right now is QQQ. We've had a huge amount of selling coming in. So you guys see the volume bars right here. All right, people on YouTube, if you guys can hear me, all the people on YouTube as well, welcome in. If you guys can hear me, please give me a thumbs up. You guys should be able to hear me correctly now with the music in the background and my voice. I got a new nice mic for Christmas. So yeah, so you guys see this volume bar here. Do you guys see how it's increasing as we're selling down and rejecting off of resistances? So it's something that you guys should always look at the volume for confirmation. So tomorrow, most likely a dead cat bounce, right? And I believe Lloyd. So make sure you guys watch out for another flush tomorrow. But we are heading right into a demand area around 383 for QQQ. I'll go over SPY as well. Hey JD, what's up, man? What's up? Gurvesh, you're back. What is up? So before I switch to SPY though, I have an overnight SQQQ position that I ended up having 190% on. So if you guys wanted to go look at that, those contracts really went off today. You guys can obviously see QQQ is, there's a big red candlestick, and if you guys take a look at SQQQ, big increase, right? With a large amount of volume. So tomorrow I'm gonna see QQQ coming back down, okay, and hitting the 50 SMA here, and then bouncing. All right, so that's why I'm expecting a bounce tomorrow on the overall markets, like SPY and QQQ, before heading lower if we see a very small dead cat bounce. Ray, almost 22,000. Yes, Morris, you're correct. You have to remember everyone's journey is different, right? So it's I've always see people saying, oh, how much did you make, right? How much did you make in this trade? And you might wonder, why didn't I make that much, right? And I think that's one of the worst things to do in trading, especially when you're comparing. So it's one of those things that I highly recommend you don't do. Focus on the process of learning, right? And focus on yourself and really learn how you think psychologically on a trade. Okay, so yeah, right. See, there we go. Right, you see how we're different. So it's completely subjective, right? It's not objective. It's subjective. You have to be thinking in a way that's you just have to change yourself psychologically and mentally. And yeah, right. So exactly what I'm saying right now. It's one of those things that you just have to psychologically prepare yourself for, and you learn through experience and through journaling. Okay, I always encourage people to journal. Okay, whatever they've traded or anything, right? Journal your entries, journal your exits, journal your losses, wins. It doesn't matter. Okay, especially those losses are important because you have to know. You have to know your losses in order to know what's wrong with what your strategy is, right? Or else how are you even going to have a profitable strategy if you don't know what's going on, right? And why you're losing. What did I do before you started becoming a trader? I was a student. Yep. I've been doing this trading thing for 5 years. 5 years, right? Down to foe. What's up? Thank you. Okay. All right. So let's start. Okay. And Coop, you said journaling has been helping tremendously with my consistency. Yes. Yes, Coop, that is absolutely correct. So for the people on Instagram here, okay, right here, right? This is one of my members here. Both of these people right here that just sent the message in the live chat box here, okay? So Fiji right here said, journaling has been helping tremendously with my consistency. And that's very true. Okay, very, very true, right? It's one of those things that you guys have to do, especially when you're starting out, okay? It's gonna get a little bit harder once you start becoming profitable because, well, I mean, you know, you know what you're doing now at that point. But, you know, it's so important, all right? Hey, what's up, what's up? Okay, so Ray, that's one of the things that you have to do, literally. You know, figure out how you handle yourself mentally, emotionally, and psychologically. Okay, those 3 points. I keep buying dips, I keep dipping. Yeah, so that's one of those things that you can't just randomly do. This is where technical analysis is very, very important. And that's what I specialize in. I started with technical analysis and I'm still doing technical analysis. But now I'm doing more fundamental and technical analysis as well combined. And that's exactly what I do in the C.F.O Swinger Watch. Okay. Hey, SJ, what's up? What's up? What's up? I haven't seen you in a while. All right. So everyone, send in your tickers. Let's go. Let's start. Let's start. Let's start. Let's go ahead and start. Send in your tickers that you want to look at. I'm excited to do this live today. Let's get the energy flowing here. Woohoo! Let's go. Yeah, Morris, that's one of my pro traders in the C.F.O Discord. Okay, he said, develop your edge, stick to your rules. That's literally what we focus on in the C.F.O Swinger Watch and C.F.O Discord. If you guys take a look at the every single newsletter every Sunday, okay, my subscribers can attest to this as well. There's consistency, right? And I don't mean 100% win rate every single newsletter, because that's impossible. All right, you can't have 100% win rate every single time, but you can find ways to use the C.F.O Swinger Watch, okay, in order to have a better than average win rate. Okay, even a 50% is good enough. Literally, a 50% win rate is absolutely good. Okay, it's perfect. All right, and from that point forward, all you need to do is improve on how to make that percentage better. And the C.F.O Swinger Watch really helps with your edge. Okay. For some reason, every green candle scares me when I short. Yeah, Ray, you know why? Because when you short, there's a lot more of a chance that stock goes up, because stocks tend to go up, right? And it's a lot harder on your psyche, on your mentality and your emotional state to short. Okay, so let's stick with the tickers here. Hey, Garrett, thank you. Andres, thank you. So, INTC, let's start with INTC. Ooh, what is this? What happened here? So, Intel basically had news, I believe. This candlestick just is telling me that there was news. Huh. There's been upgrades on Intel. Okay, that's not really big news. Okay. All right. Well, ignoring the news here, technically, INTC looks pretty bearish. Why? We'll just take a look at the candlestick right here, right? Extremely bearish, right? Inverse hammer. Okay. And from here, okay, we're forming a nice resistance level here, right? And if I also, here, let me get closer for you guys. We're forming an ascending channel here. Okay, the only way we make this into a bullish reversal is if and only if we break above 56 to around 57. Okay, a little bit more precisely, I would say around 55.50ish. But depending on how, well, just by looking at how we rejected off of this ascending level support, this is going to need a lot more time before we start heading upwards. Right, and for the fact that the overall market is really just dumped today. So we can contribute this big inverted hammer candlestick to the market here. But Andres, I would say there's a good chance that you can short tomorrow at the rejection of my daily 200 SMA here, which is sitting at around, I would say around 54.40ish. But you can actually short around 54.50, which is also a level of resistance that here you guys can actually see. Let me make it red. Okay, so this is a level of resistance in the past, and the previous, even further back, it was a level of support right here. Okay, so it's level of support, level of resistance, and it seems like we can see another level of resistance potentially tomorrow if we do have an early morning bounce, and we come back up, retest this 54.50 level, and then retest the 200 SMA and reject off of it. All right, and your potential profit target can be around 53.50. That's a nice $1 move, and maybe even 53 depending on how much we sell off tomorrow. Okay, Andres, you got that? Andres, I need to see you in the C.F.O Discord, man. I need you in there, bro. I know you're gonna benefit, man. Every single day, everyone is learning. Everyone is literally sending out plays. Everyone is trying to help each other out. Your questions won't go unanswered because of the fact that everyone tries to stick to what they're doing and trying to not flood the chat room so that so that people can actually see what we're talking about. I think that's one of the main beneficiaries of being the C.F.O Discord, and my current members who are watching right now can attest to that as well. By the way, to the subscribers who are live right now with me, if you guys can, just a little tiny favor, tell people your experience with the C.F.O Swinger Watch and in the C.F.O Discord. Thank you very much. Okay, so as I'm doing the breakdown here for HT, it would be awesome if you guys can give me a nice breakdown of what you guys think of the C.F.O Swinger Watch and C.F.O Discord. I know I asked you guys this many times, but I really want the people to see, what the C.F.O Discord and C.F.O Swinger Watch does for you guys and how it's been helping you, as a trading tool. Because that's essentially what it is, right? Okay, so and there's of course, Lewis, it's in my bio. So to go to the link in my bio, all right, and the link in my bio is if you click on it, you'll see the C.F.O Swinger Watch tab. Okay, I hope you can see it. And if you subscribe to C.F.O Swinger Watch, you get immediate access to C.F.O Discord. Okay, so Lewis, I hope I can see you soon. Hey, Morris. I remember, man. So Morris, guys, he was one of those consistent people who joined my lives, and he finally pulled the trigger. He took action, and guess where he's at today? I mean, I'm not gonna take whole responsibility, but I'm saying, he's been taking action, executing, and doing everything that he can to make trading work for him. And look where he's at now. He's a pro trader in the C.F.O Swinger Watch and the C.F.O Discord. So, it all comes down to you and how you handle things. All right. And the zone, Donnie, what's up? What's up, guys? What's up? Okay. Oops. My bad, guys. Hey, Coop, I see you. Here, let me make this better for you guys. All right, okay. Kevin, what's up? Okay, so HD. Oh, Pyro, I'm sorry, I did not see your I didn't see your comment there. What would be a safer entry for puts? Retest and rejection or break or previous day low? Good question. The latter. Break or previous day low is probably the best because that's telling you that the sellers are still strong, and for the fact that they've broken the previous low of the day. Okay, that's an actual confirmation that sellers are in full control now the very next day. So that's better. A riskier entry will be retest and rejection. I hope that makes sense. Sorry guys, I wasn't looking at your comments here. Okay, so HD, Stanistic, what's up? In the mortgage, you said the importance of staying consistent. Yes, sir. Home Depot. This looks like a double top. I would say, you know, depending on how we move tomorrow, there's a high chance that we come back down to that $400 support level. Other than that, I don't really see anything. Clearly an uptrend. I mean, if you guys take a look at the weekly time frame for HD, huge uptrend, right? Ever since March 2020 lows, right? This is very, very good uptrend, very strong. I'm expecting more movement to the upside until we consolidate. Okay, so I'm expecting a flag formation here at some point on the weekly time frame. Whoops, why did I go back to daily? Okay, so we're gonna start consolidating like this. Okay, eventually making higher low, excuse me. Eventually we will break above, hopefully, above 418 to 419 all-time high levels. All right, so this is what I kind of see for HD, if and only if HD is not affected by the overall markets. Okay, so this HD is also known as a boomer stock. And you guys already know if you guys haven't been watching the markets. Mostly the boomer stocks and value stocks have been really booming and holding really, really well with relative strength. Okay, so HD, something that's, I would say, you guys can get into tomorrow for a bounce. It's still a good uptrend, but the fact that we ended very bearish just tells me that something is very, very not something that you guys want to play to the upside yet. Even in the intraday timeframes here, 2 hour, 4 hour, right? There's a chance that we can come back all the way down to 402.50 and 400. So if you guys want to play a bounce, that's more plausible. Okay. Hey, Anthony, what's up? What's up? Murtis Ray, AC has a 30-minute squeeze. Huh. Interesting. I mean, I do see this, a flag. So, this can also break out tomorrow. If we bounce around, I would say around. So tomorrow, if we bounce around 405 or 404.50, you guys can also get in as well if there's significant bounce. That can also be a double bottom here as well. So this could be the first bottom and then another second bottom sometime over here. All right, so I hope you guys got that in. Okay. Hey, Harley Hustles, what's up? Anthony, I'm doing good. And Ray, I did not do computer science in the past. For a little surprise for everyone, I was a biology major. I actually know quite a few biology majors who do trading full time now. So, VG, Coop, thank you. Pyro, of course, man. I hope you can join more of these lives on Mondays and Wednesdays. So if you guys don't know, I do these lives Mondays and Wednesdays, 7:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. All right. So I really hope that you guys join. And if you guys can't join, well, I always repost the lives on my YouTube and on Instagram. So, if you guys always want to catch up on the lives, go ahead. I highly recommend it. Fiji, I gotta pin that comment, man. I gotta pin that comment. Thanks, guys. So Fiji is also one of the C.F.O pro traders. I literally saw him grow up in trading. So, Andrew, BRZ99, what is up, man? Okay, so yeah, this is what HD, there's two possibilities here. Either we flush all the way down to 400, or we have make a double bottom bounce at 405.10ish or 404.50ish. Okay, I hope that makes sense. And Ray, yes, it is cool, isn't it? Annie, hey, what's up? Annie. And let me read what Coop says here. So, Bryant, I'll go to APPS soon. Join in June. Watch a bunch of YouTube videos before pulling the trigger. Consistently been building 200 to 500 with a 70% scalp win rate. Yes, I know that too. Because I literally watched you do that. There's a never-ending amount of resources in C.F.O. Yes, that is very true, guys. If you guys are hungry for knowledge and learning, go to chartsfocus1.com or just use the link in my bio. Use the link in my bio on Instagram. Everything's in there. Okay, and for people on YouTube, all the links are down in the description box below. Hopefully tomorrow history repeats itself tomorrow. I mean, usually that's what it does in the markets. Yes, Andrew, I remember I saw your last live. I told you about Shop. It went like 2%. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The C.F.O TA is always on point. The energy is real here, guys. The energy is real tonight. Tanit, what's up? What's up? You guys already know. Even all the members on the C.F.O Streaming Watch right now watching this live, you guys already know the C.F.O TA is the way. All right. Okay. So, Bryant, sorry for waiting. Sorry for making you wait there. But APPS, Digital Turbine. So APPS had a phenomenal year in 2021. I mean, you guys can clearly tell here. All right. It went from a single digit stock, okay, all the way up to 100. So triple digit stock. Now it's back to double digits. But APPS had recent news of, I believe, a Google partnership, I believe. And they actually flushed. So I expect the news to hit more for the bulls later on. But for now, that news is priced in, Brian. So I wouldn't play this unless we're gonna play to the downside, because if we flush tomorrow at 55 here, let me actually color code it so you guys know where 55 is for people on Instagram. Okay, if we flush below 55, we have a high probability that we can chop around 50 to around 54ish. Okay, Brian. So if we flush 55 tomorrow, there's gonna be a lot of choppiness as we go lower and lower and lower. Okay, between 50 and 54. All right. So APPS, we're going to see some chop around 50 to 54. And eventually, if we see more selling pressure, we will hit all the way down to 48. Okay. Jeff, boy, what is up? What is up? Oh, everyone joining today. Woo! Let's get it. In the money, Morris. In the money. Thank you so much. Yes. The C.F.O way, baby. We've been killing it 2022. And if you guys didn't know, I know my subscribers know, I've been hitting 100%ers every single day since 2022. And every other C.F.O Streaming Watch member as well. So I know everyone's been killing it. Yeah, Brian. You said APPS was looking to downside. Yes, same here. Increased volume in selling, okay, as we're going down to support as well. So tomorrow, Brian, as well, there might be a little bounce, like I said, on like any other name that we're watching today. We might hit 58 first, right here, and then reject, and then come back down. But most likely, we can't even see just continuation flush. And I would go long once we hit 48. Okay, I wouldn't go long in this little tiny chop here between 50 and 54. Got that? Give me a thumbs up if you guys got that for APPS. Ray, did you find swing trading less stressful than day trading? Yes, which is why I'm a swing trader. But I tend to scalp and day trade when I see the opportunity. Scalping market right now for sure, especially, yes, Andrew, especially if you are kind of skewed to the long side. So if you have a mentality of stocks going higher and wanting to trade stocks that go higher, yes, right now is a scalping environment for people who think that way. Okay, Nav, what is up? Sec19, what is up? Franny, what's up? Brian, soft and sour, hey, what's up? Soft and sour, what is good? What is good? Yes, Raymaster, you're probably just like me. People, there's, a lot of people I've met, they're usually investors or swing traders. Okay, so Coop, also great for 9 to 5 folk like myself, scapping on the work desk and privacy. Hey, Coop, you know what? You've been killing it. I've literally seen you grow with me. I've seen you, do absolutely amazing even while you're working your 9 to 5. And that's the reason why you're part of the C.F.O Pro Traders. That's the reason why I gave you that position. You're amazing. Try not to swing, bro. Take profit. Well, that depends on the charts, right? And that depends on how the C.F.O way helps you with swing trading. So, Andrew, if you want to join, go ahead. Andres said, that's me, trading under pressure. When I trade at home, my God, so chill and calm, right? Dollar bill, y'all. What's up? What's up? Chocolate Boy Wonder, what's good? Alright, so Andrew, you said Chop, what do I see? Oh my god. So Chop, you guys want to see something funny? My C.F.O Discord members know I took this trade too. So, for the people on the C.F.O stream watch, okay, if you guys don't remember, go to the channel, I believe C.F.O Pro Traders, okay, and go up and go look for my shop analysis. Alright. Okay, so I gave this picture to you guys right here, this screenshot, right, of this wedge here that we're forming at the bottom here for shop. And I said we either break up above 1,207 to 1,210, or we can just see a break above this descending level resistance. But if we don't, and we break to the downside, we can see a break below 1,195, right? And so when we actually broke below, we were keeping getting faked out until I got in when we made a nice morning doji start here. And I got contracts from, let me see, 1.20. Okay, from 1.20, and let me find a specific exit here. Let's see. It was like 1.20 to about 1.55. Okay, so it's very, very good scalp. So right here, guys, right here, and exited right here. Okay, so 3 candlesticks here. So that's what? 45 minutes? So this is a 15-minute time frame of shop here. Okay. Ray 2. I start with 2. Andres, we're about to be on straight C.F.O mode when we trade from home full time. And Andrew, yes. So shop here. I expect a bounce tomorrow. This is too big of a sell-off. We are a little bit oversold as well on the daily and on the intraday time frames. So I would say tomorrow there's a high chance that we can bounce all the way back to 1,200. Okay, and a little bit riskier will be around 1,210ish. Okay. Andres, you gotta join, man. You gotta join. DT Wilkes, what's up? What's up? How long do I hold, Ray? To my profit target goal, or to my stop loss. That's it. I mean, I can't go specific because I can't. It depends on the chart that I'm looking at. Does that make sense, Ray? Chris, what's up? Oh my god, I'm having so many people join today. What is going on here? What is up, everyone? What is up? Guys, if you guys are not in the C.F.O streaming watch, in the C.F.O Discord, you guys are really missing out. Like, I'm not, like, it's blowing my mind that you guys are not in. You guys have to go in, guys. Take action. Take action. You guys will make back your subscription fee. 100%, 1,000%. Okay? Amazon? Okay, so Andrew, Amazon. So Amazon, we're gonna continue to go to the downside. I know you probably don't want to hear that, but the reason why is that we're heading towards to the downside here. Okay, and what I'm seeing here is that we have a demand area around 3,270ish to around 3,275, Andrew. So I wouldn't go long if you're trying to go long on Amazon until we hit there, until we see a significant bounce. But if we fail that support, if we fail this support right here, guys, this green right here, we're most likely going to flush all the way back down to 3,178-ish to around 3,185-ish. Okay. Ray, how old are you again? I don't know. You gotta guess. You gotta guess, man. I'm not gonna say it for privacy issues. Because I have scammers imitating my profile, and my subscription and my subscribers can tell me that as well. That, I mean, you guys already see on my stories how many people who are impersonating me, so I can't say it. I'm sorry, Ray. I can DM you. I'll DM you, but Yes, Ray, it's a packed house. Chocolate Boy Wonder. I would say tier 2 or tier 3. Yeah, the Chocolate Boy Wonder. If you can, take a look at the link in my bio. Click on the C.F.O Swing and Watch, and you can, you will be directed to the newsletter subscription page. Okay. Would you recommend for a beginner? Oh, I just read that. So, yeah, so tier 2 or tier 3. Okay. I highly recommend tier 3 though, if you're a beginner. And Chocolate Boy Wonder, message me. I will give you a discount code for the beginner's trading guide. All right. I want you to read the beginner's trading guide as well. So guys, if you guys are complete beginners, read the book. Really, read the book. If you guys want it, DM me right now. Okay, get out the live right now and DM me right now. I'll give you guys a discount code to get that book, and also join the C.F.O Swing and Watch. And Chocolate Boy Wonder, I hope you join. I hope to see you in the C.F.O Discord. Daniel Trades, what is up, Daniel? What's up, man? What's up? What's up? What's up? Woo! So many people in here tonight. Awesome, awesome. And Brian, I will get to your Apple here soon. And Andrew, lastly, SQ. Ooh, bearish. I see continuation to the downside to 134. That's it. That's literally it. Okay, SQ, we keep on going down until we hit 134 and then we bounce. All right. So remember that for SQ. All right, remember what I said here because it's gonna happen. That's the C.F.O way. When I give you guys my TA, it goes that way. Bradley, what is up? Brad. What's up? What's up? So SQ, we hit 134 and then bounce. All right, that's it. Okay, now don't go all in, but obviously do your own risk management. But yes, 134 is the bounce area there. And Andres, you said, I'm bad with picking strikes and going through the DNA of the call and put. Which puts would you recommend if you had to choose? I believe that, MP? I wouldn't choose puts here, but this is a pretty bearish candlestick. I would say 44. 44 is a safe strike, or even 45. Okay, Andres? 45 or 44 for MP. But I don't really recommend puts right here at this level. You're gonna see a lot of chop. You're most likely see a lot of bouncing here, because this is a very strong uptrend here. I don't really see any reason why I would short this if I were to short it. So, Andres, don't try to short this. But if you want a quick scalp, I would recommend in the money contracts or at the money contracts if you want. But there's gonna be a lot of chop here, so I personally wouldn't short this at all, to be honest. But hey, if it breaks below 44, you have possibility to hit 43, which will be hitting this ascending support trend line. 134 go all in. Okay, so Brian, let me look at your Apple. Woo, there's a lot of people in here. Awesome. Oh my god. I think this is the most amount of people I've had. We're breaking records today, guys. Breaking records of viewership here. Brian's Apple. I mean, as I've been saying, right, in the C.F.O Swing and Watch, most tech growth names are going to get beaten down. And for the people who aren't in the C.F.O Swing and Watch, you guys don't know what I said in the market summary of what we're going to see in 2022. But there's not going to be a lot of attention into the growth stocks too much. Okay, there's going to be a lot of inflow into European and Asian stocks. All right, and emerging market stocks. So that's a little hint there for you all. Apple, I would say most likely a nice little dip below this ascending support trend line. So maybe a dip to 174 and then bounce. But I don't see that happening as well because we saw an increased amount of selling today and yesterday. But Brian, I know you're good with Apple. You're an amazing trader on Apple. I've seen you really crush Apple trades there. So I would say you're if we bounce at 174 tomorrow, there's a high chance we come back to 177. Yeah, so 177 here, Okay, this level right here that you guys can see, and then 174 right here. And if we break 174, we will also break this coinciding ascending support level, right? And if we break that, we go down to 172 and eventually 170. Does that make sense, Brian? Give me that thumbs up if you got that. SAC 19. How's SC chart look? All right. Next is SC. C limited. Oof. What is this? C limited is down from its highs 50%. Okay, so thanks for sharing. I'm definitely making a point to stop by these IG lives more. Yes. Come join us Monday and Wednesday. I'm telling you, these lives alone are money making lives. Brian, you said more downside I'm looking for is oversold in the hourly. Yes, so you might see a dead cat bounce tomorrow, most likely. Okay, for Apple. And Pyro, I hope I can see you. Hey, Amanda, what's up? Amanda, I haven't seen you in a while. What's up, Amanda? Hey, what is good? JY Trader, what's good? What's up? All right, so SC, okay, SC official correction. Okay, so official correction here for C limited. We're starting a new downtrend. Why? Well, we're down from 50% from all-time highs, and we've officially broken the weekly 50 SMA here. So if you guys take a look on my weekly time frame here, let me get closer. Okay, this daily 50 not daily, weekly 50 SMA, which is my dark blue line here. If you guys can see it on my cursor, okay, we broke into the downside and we haven't even tried coming back above it. So we're officially on the downtrend. I wouldn't know right now. There's not enough information where we will bounce because of the fact that we haven't made significant support levels as we're going up higher. Okay, but on the daily time frame, I can give you guys a support area that we need to hold. Okay, so next support that we need to hold is 174 for SC. All right, if we bounce from there, all right, we have to be setting an attendance record. It's awesome to see this growth. Yes, Morris. Yes. Okay, and for the people who are joining right now, the pinned comment, Fiji and Morris, the one who just commented right now, they're both my pro traders here. Okay, I've seen them grow with me through C.F.O, and they are the pro traders. They're part of the team of the pro traders in the C.F.O Discord, and they've been having awesome callouts in the Discord as well. So if you guys want to join, they're more day traders, right? I'm a swing trader, okay, but they're mostly day traders. If you guys are interested in that, join today. All right, take action today. If you guys have any questions, please DM me or even talk to Fiji and Morris. I'm sure they will be glad to help you guys out and see and tell you guys about their experience with C.F.O as well. Okay, with Charts Focus 1. And if you guys can't convince you, that's fine. I mean, no pressure at all. If you guys can't join today, no worries. All right, no one's forcing you here. All right. SE. Yeah, so SC 174 will be your previous area of resistance, which is now support here. Okay, so we go all the way down to 174, and if you break below that, we go down to 160 for SC. All right, so who's the one that asked me SC here? SAC 19. If you're still here, please give me a thumbs up that you got that. All right, for SC. Okay. Sergio, what's up? Oh my god, there's so many people joining today. Awesome. And Morris, I think we did break the viewership and attendance record here. Awesome. So, SC here, 50% down from all-time highs. And we are a little bit oversold on the daily and the 15-minute. So I would say we have a nice opportunity to a reversal. We can come back to 195 this week or even next week, Zach. Okay, and then we can continue lower from that point forward. Okay, and you gave me a thumbs up. Awesome. Nice. 100% glad that you understood that. Awesome. Ray, what type of stop loss do you set for swings? I use the regular 1 to 5 risk to reward ratios. So I use the risk to reward ratios, and if you don't know what that is, guys, please take a look at my beginner's trading guide. I will give you guys a discount code. If you guys want to see what discount code is, please DM me. I'm happy to give you guys discount codes. Riva, what is up? Another female trader that's absolutely killing it. Surge Trades, what is up? Oh my god, so many people joining today. Awesome. So Zach, that's it for SC. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. So I'll be hopping off the live here soon. Please give me 3 more. All right, 3 more that you guys want me to look at. Just 3 more, and that's it. All right. So the people who type in first gets everything. First come, first serve here. 3 more tickers, and I'm done here for tonight. I gotta get to the gym. So guys, if you guys are stuck, if you guys are new, I highly recommend you guys get the Beginner's Trading Guide. Okay, Beginner's Trading Guide and joining the C.F.O Swing Watch as well. Okay, at the same time, that's something that you guys will never ever regret doing. And if you guys really want to, actually learn and trade, get the Beginner's Trading Guide. DM me because I will give you guys the discount code because I want you guys to learn. I mean, it's only $25. It's already a sale from $50, but I really want you guys to learn. Okay, I want to make sure that there's a low barrier of entry. All right, so please DM me. The Beginner's Trading Guide will absolutely help you. Okay, there's people in here who read it as well. They can attest to how it helped them as well. I never had a negative review from the book, not even one. Okay, so make sure you guys DM me if you guys want it. I'll give you guys a discount code, and make sure you guys join the C.F.O Discord and C.F.O Swing Watch as well. You guys get access to the C.F.O Discord community once you join the C.F.O Swing Watch together. I mean, what a great bundle. All right. So, guys on YouTube. Oh man, A-Firm Neo Adobe. Oof. Guys, I don't think I can do that. People on Instagram already said it first. All right, so I'm sorry guys, but I will go over them on my Instagram. So people who weren't able to get the last 3 tickers here, I will post the charts on my story, so watch out for them tonight. Okay, so Ro, I'll do A-Firm, Andrea, Neo, and Bryant, Adobe. Okay, I'll get that. I'll have that remembered in my head. All right. Andrea said, hello, JK. Oh well, you're good. You're good. Okay. So here are the last 3 tickers, right? So Pyro, KO. Ooh, like I said, boomer stocks, right? so more official term, value stocks are absolutely getting a lot more attention, also because of rate hikes. A little hint there, guys. Okay, rate hikes, and I mean, Coca-Cola here, it's a little bit overbought, but very, very strong uptrend. We broke above, finally, above 57 here, around 56.50ish and 57. High chance we continue this week, but I'm going to see a pullback and potential filling of this gap here. Okay, Pyro? And Pyro, I really want to see you as well. So Chocolate Boy Wonder as well. I love your username. But DM me for discount code, and I hope to see you tonight in the C.F.O Discord. And Pyro, you too. And so KO, that's it for KO there. Kevin and Anthony, you both said MU. MU. Ooh. MU hit all-time highs today. Wow. Okay, so this rejection, I don't like it. If we take a look at the 2-hour time frame here already, yeah, look at that. So most likely we're gonna break this ascending support tomorrow. And since Kevin and Anthony, you guys are in the C.F.O Discord, I will give you a more formal breakdown on the Discord tonight. But for MU, if we break below 94, that's done. It's done for the stock. We're going all the way down to 92 to 92.50. Does that make sense? For Anthony and Kevin, please give me a thumbs up if that makes sense. Okay. All right. I mean, we've also been forming this nice resistance level here too. So it is what it is for MU here. Morris, yeah, I know you. I know you like this one. You've been trading these reversals. Perfect. The last one here. Oh, AN3 Lloyd. Lucid. Okay, so for the people who weren't able to type fast enough, Ray, ORCL, Ro, A Firm, Andrea, Neo, Bryant, Adobe. Okay, I'll remember that. And Andres, Berkshire. Okay, I got that. I got that. I remember that in my head. I'll even screenshot it, guys. How about that? I'll make sure to post that tonight. Okay, on my story, so watch out for that. And for people on YouTube, okay, A Firm, Neo, and Adobe. Okay. All right. So last one here, guys. Last one. So Lucid, we're right back into the support area, demand area. All right, around 36, and I have an alert that's been going off the past few days here, and we've been hitting 36 quite a few times here, today and on Monday, I believe. So since we're back to support area, okay, I'm gonna see a break of the support potentially tomorrow. Why? Because as we're heading towards support, do you guys see this? We saw an increase in selling. Okay, so there's a high chance that we break 36 tomorrow and we flush. Why do we flush? Because there isn't much support after 36. So there's a chance that we go all the way back down to 34 and 33. Okay, so Lloyd, I hope that you're still here. Okay, so Lucid here is great until 33 to 34. That's like you're risking like $1 here, or if you want to risk less of 50 cents to around $2 to $3 of reward. So that's a pretty good ratio. Joe, what's up? What's up? Ray, do you set trade alerts and walk away? Yep, that's exactly what I do. But I don't walk away, obviously. But you know, I tend to check the charts here and there, but I don't tend to do much. But it's good to be proactive though. So don't just walk away, Ray. No, I was kidding. Can't short Berkshire. Where else do you find this value for free? Thanks, Andrew. Of course, Morris. Guys, just tune into my lives. Literally tune into my lives. All right. So that's it for tonight for Lucid, guys. Thank you all for joining. Everyone on YouTube and Instagram, we broke the viewership records. I hope we break it next week on Monday, and I hope to see you guys on Monday as well. All right. I'll remind you guys. And if you guys are hesitant, don't hesitate. Take action now. Get the beginner's trading guide. All right. Get the beginner's trading guide. If you guys want it, DM me. I'm going to give you guys a discount code. I really want you guys to read it. It's helped over 200 people since the book was made. Okay. And also join the C.F.O. Swinger Watch tonight at the same time. Guys, literally just take action. I'm telling you guys. Don't wait. Do not think. All right. Don't think too hard. Like literally just join. Take action like all my subscribers did. Guys. All right. So much value. Definitely DMing you. Thanks. Of course, Pyro. Hopefully to see you DM. I'm holding you guys responsible. DM me on Instagram or even email me at charts41@gmail.com. Alright. Kevin, you said for real. Turn into live to make your monthly subscription and then join. Of course. Pouring gasoline on your emotions. Yes, exactly. Don't try to watch 3 minutes every single time. That's toxic. Okay, that's it for tonight, guys. For the people who I did not get through today, for your charts, please look out tonight. I'll post them on my Instagram story. Okay, make sure you guys look at it. Okay, and for the people who wants to read the book, and I highly recommend everyone to read it. Doesn't matter if you're a beginner or not. The Beginner's Trading Guide will help you come back to the basics and learn the foundation that you need. Okay, so DM me. I'll give you guys the discount code and join the C.F.O. Swinger Watch, which will give you access to the C.F.O. Discord as well together. You get the newsletter every Sunday, and you have the C.F.O. Discord to communicate with other traders and my pro traders like Morris and Fiji here every single day, live. All right? Okay, so that's it for tonight. Thank you all for joining. Okay? Andrea, thank you for joining. All right? I really appreciate you guys for even joining today. I mean, you guys really broke the attendance record here. So make sure you guys DM me on Instagram at chartsfocus1.com. At chartsfocus1.com. That's my website as well. But DM me on Instagram at chartsfocus1. People on YouTube, please DM me. I would love to hear your thoughts, and I would love to give you guys a discount code for the Beginner's Trading Guide. And please join the C.F.O. Swinger Watch as well. Okay? All right. Everyone have a great night. I'll see you guys on Monday. I hope to see this type of energy today that you guys all gave me. And I'll see you guys on Monday, same time. All right, have a great rest of your night. I hope to see you all in the C.F.O Single Watch and in the C.F.O Discord by tonight. All right? No pressure though. No pressure. Just telling you guys to take action. All right? It's a new year. Take action, guys. No more hesitating. Okay? No more hesitating, guys. Okay. Have a great rest of your night. I'll see you guys all on Monday. Thank you all for joining.